Hello everyone and welcome back to Ember's artwork. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a proportionate self-portrait. So I'm going to start off by drawing my head shape. It's kind of like an upside down egg. Your eyeline is going to be from the bottom of your chin to the top of your head, halfway down. So your eyeline is halfway from the top of your head to the bottom of your chin. This is where your eyes are going to sit. Your bottom of your nose is halfway between your eye line and your chin, and the middle of your mouth is about halfway from the bottom of your nose to your chin. So I'm lightly drawing in these proportions on my paper so I can draw more details on top. So your neck goes from the side of your chin. I'm going to draw my shirt and my shoulders coming off the side. The ears go from the eye line to the nose line. On top of that light sketch, I'm going to start adding in my details. My eyes go right in between that eye line. Drew a curve on the top and on the bottom, and some circles on the inside for my eyes. And I'm going to draw the bottom of my nose right on that nose line. And remember to draw in your eyebrows above your eyes. And my mouth is going to go right there on the mouth line. And the edges go to about the center of the eyes, the ear from the end to the nose line. And I'm just some more details to the shape of my face around the edges. And filling in my neck and my hair. So remember, this is a self-portrait. A self-portrait is a picture you draw of yourself. So make sure that you're giving your portrait the special details that make you, you. And now I'm going to go in and color. Whenever you are coloring, take your time to fill in all of the blank spaces. Take your time, don't rush. I'm adding some shading and some highlights to my portrait. Taking my time to fill in all the spaces. And this is the positive space, what's in the foreground of my picture. And make sure you fill in your background, the negative space. Thank you for watching, and I cannot wait to see what you are going to create.